Namaste students. Today my topic is multiplier. How multiplier is working. Multiplier is working on the fact that one person expenditure is considered the income of the other person. Suppose there is change in additional income is 100 rupees. 100 crore. Additional investment is 100 crores. Suppose additional investment is 100 crore, so that there is increase in income. There is increase in income that is 100 crore. I told you one person expenditure is the income of other person. Now the second point is if MPC is 0.90. If MPC is 0.90, it means the marginal propensity to consume is 90%. Then if marginal propensity to consume is 90%, it means 90 crores income is increase in second round. This process will be continue. This process will be continue up to income is multiplier is equal to 1 minus 1 over MPC. K is equal to 1 over 1 minus 0.90. K is equal to 1 upon 0.10. It means that is equal to 100. This process will be continue up to whenever the income comes up to the 10 times. Income is increased up to the 10 times. That income will increase increase 10 times means that is equal to 1000. This process will be continue up to the income is 1000. And you can write like this in a flow chart. First, additional investment is 100 crore. Additional means change in I is equal to 100 crore. In a first round, change in income is also 100 crores. If MPC is 0.90, now MPC is equal to 0.90. Then in second round, change in income is 90 crore. Change in income is 90 crore. And in third round, same. If MPC is 0.90, then in third round, that is increase in 81 crore. This process will be continue up to the whenever the increase in income up to the 1000 crores. This process will be continued whenever the income is up to the 1000 crores. Now the next point is working of multiplier in the tabular form. In a first of all, the increase in investment is 100 crores. Then in a first round, first round increase in income is 100 crores. Because increase in investment is 100 crores, then increase in income is also 100 crores, because one person expenditure is the income of the other person. Now increase in consumption, here we are saying MPC is 0.90. It means increase in consumption is equal to 90 crores. And increase in saving, if increase in income, increase in saving is equal to increase in income minus increase in consumption. Then 100 minus 90, that is equal to 10. Again, this consumption is the income of the other person. This consumption is the income of other person. Now increase in income is 90. Again, increase in consumption 0.90. It means that is 81. And saving is 9 rupees. Again, this consumption is an income, and 0.90 is equal to 72.9, and this is equal to, you have to minus from here 81 minus 72.9, that is equal to increase in income 81, increase in consumption 72.9, the increase in saving is 8.10. This process will be, this is the first round, second round, third round, and this process will be continue up to whenever the multiplier, what is the multiplier, is equal to change in y upon change in I. Here multiplier, and what is k is equal to 1 over 1 minus MPC. If MPC is 1 minus 0.90, then multiplier is equal to 10 times. If multiplier is 10 times, 10 is equal to change in income upon change in investment is 100. It means income is increased. Income is increased up to the 1000. From 1000, 90% is spent. It means 900 is a consumption, and this 100 will be the saving. This 100 will be the saving. This is the working multiplier using the table: increase in investment, increase in income, increase in consumption, and increase in saving. In a first round, increase in income is 100, then increase in investment is 100, then increase in income is 100. And 90 rupees is spent, so that 90 is consumption and saving is 10. After this consumption, increase in consumption is considered as increase in income, and this process will be continued up to whenever the increase in income is 1000 and increase in consumption is 900 and increase in saving is equal to 100 crores.